Deserve Lifestyle has released a complete step-by-step guide on how to source and sell in-demand physical goods. Check out Deserve Lifestyle today to see how their new guide can help you build your brand and dominate your market. Deserve Lifestyle partners Jake Ubasek and Stuart Ross have each started their own respective online businesses from scratch. Their guide on how to source and sell in-demand physical goods takes you through a step-by-step approach to selling products online. The guide educates on strategies for sourcing or developing products, as well as how to then market these products in the best way. In addition to this guide, Deserve Lifestyle offers 3 on-demand workshops focused on how to create a profitable online business. Check out the full guide today. Find out more at deservelifestyle.com.